Hello, Ignite, and thank you for taking the time to be here with us today. My name is 𝗦𝗲𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀, Senior Director of Crew, leading the Devices Repair Experience and Services team at Microsoft. I'm here today with Gregg Hohman, the Director of Field Repair and Network Design, and Brett Boyovich, Senior Product Manager, Devices Experience. Gregg and Brett are going to walk through the evolving and exciting changes we have been rolling out as part of our commitment to meet customers' needs. We have expanded our services network, optimized our repair offerings, and streamlined our protection plans, all with the explicit goal of empowering our customers with more control, more options, and better value. So let's go ahead and get started. Brett is going to kick us off with an overview of our Surface device repair and services solutions and discuss how these solutions benefit our customers and their businesses. Take it away, Brett.
Thanks, 𝗦𝗲𝗀𝗀𝗀, and thank you to everyone for joining us here at Ignite. Surface is committed to building empowering solutions that provide customers with more control, more options, and better value. As Gregg will share later, one of those pillars is to enable service providers our customers trust. But there are other ways Microsoft is enabling support solutions for customers. During last year's Ignite, we talked about Surface's commitment to sustainability by enabling repair and shifting away from an exchange-only model. Over the last several years, we've worked hard to grow those offerings. Now we have repair options that include Microsoft in-region repair facilities and self-service solutions for customers. Microsoft knows by adding additional solutions, Surface is giving customers more control over how they maximize their productivity. And with our latest launch of Surface Laptop Studio 2, Surface Laptop Go 3, and Surface Go 4, we now have an entire portfolio that can be serviced with replacement components using the service guides for each repairable Surface device. We have also made parts available through our network of commercial resellers and MicrosoftStore.com. What can self-repair do for your business? Self-repair may help maximize productivity by reducing downtime, especially if you prefer to carry replacement components on hand at your place of business. It may also help improve device security by ensuring a device never leaves your company's location. Self-repair makes it easy to retain data and protect intellectual property with the help of removable SSDs and Microsoft's drive retention offer. Surface has also set up regional repair options for customers by investing heavily in building trusted regional repair facilities where customers can ship their eligible Surface devices to Microsoft, have their Surface inspected, repaired, and shipped back to them with confidence that their device was repaired using genuine Microsoft parts following Microsoft guidance. While these repair facilities are limited to specific regions, Surface is committed to expanding these locations to meet customer demands around the globe. Microsoft's new reduce, reuse, and recovery model not only minimizes waste, but also reduces the cost of repair, which we're passing along to our customers. This is the first time Microsoft has been able to create a commercial protection plan that focuses on repair solutions. Our extended hardware service and complete for business protection plans for the latest launch devices are repair-centric. This allows customers to protect their investments without paying for unnecessary services they don't want. If a customer wants and needs exchange solutions, they can still find those offerings in our Extended Hardware Service Plus and Complete for Business Plus protection plans. Microsoft has built self-serve tools, like the Surface Management Portal for Intune. To better support our customers, these portals can help hybrid organizations manage and monitor Surface devices at scale, which can lead to reduced IT costs and a better Surface support experience. What can the Surface Management Portal do? It can help you gain insight into the health of your Surface fleet, help you identify the coverage status of a device, gain insight into open service orders, create service orders in bulk, and review past service order history. And we're always improving these portals to help you better manage and monitor your Surface fleet. So keep an eye out for regular updates and new capabilities. If you're interested in learning more about repairability, please visit Microsoft.com. And if you'd like to see more about Surface designed for repair, you can watch teardown videos on our Microsoft Surface YouTube page. Thanks for taking the time to learn more about Microsoft's commitment to repair. Here's Gregg to talk about our growing network of authorized service providers.
Thank you, Brett. I'm really happy to be here today to talk about our Microsoft Authorized Service Provider Program, also referred to as ASP for Surface. Over the past several years, we have heard from our customers that they need more flexibility, more options in how Surface can be supported. We hear questions like, when can Surface be repaired on site? With the introduction of the new devices this fall, as Brett mentioned, the entire Surface portfolio is fully repairable. Having fully repairable products allows flexibility for how Surface is supported and gives us the opportunity to move repair closer to our customer, particularly through authorized service providers. Today, we have a network of 36 partners across the US, Canada, UK, France, Germany, China, Japan, and Australia. And we are continually looking to grow our footprint of ASPs. Customers who need customized support solutions can now find that through our ASP network, where our partners can offer on-site repair, on-location or on-prem repair, repair services coordinated through a depot, and secure repair for data-sensitive locations. Our network of authorized service providers can bring you that quality of service and repair you expect from Microsoft because our partners use genuine Microsoft parts, service guides, and specialty repair tools to get your device back up and running. With our growing network of partners, we believe customers can find an ASP that offers a solution that fits their needs. When does utilizing an ASP make sense? If you're in the financial, healthcare, or government sector that requires higher levels of data security, where devices need to stay in your ecosystem, on-site service through an ASP is a great solution. In case your company has an on-premise solution and wants Surface to be supported through your on-prem provider, our ASP program can support these types of solutions. If reducing downtime is critical for your business, having parts on hand allows same-day support by your Microsoft ASP to get your employees back up and running. With customized offerings from a Microsoft ASP, you can build a support model that takes into account the cost elements such as inventory holding, asset tagging, re-imaging, and repair to meet your budget needs. Another important consideration is environmental impacts. Support services through an ASP can help elevate your sustainability goals by reducing the carbon footprint and reducing waste that comes with exchange. If utilizing an ASP sounds right for you, let's talk about how to get started. First, we believe that Surface devices plus Microsoft protection plans and an ASP service plan is the most complete solution for Surface. We leverage our partners and their unique capabilities to help deliver a quality support experience for our customers. We are focused on the entire solution. We recognize the diversity of support our ASP partners can provide and the benefits it brings to Microsoft customers. When working with a Microsoft reseller, ask about Microsoft Surface, Microsoft protection plans, and their ASP offerings. We will continue to build a network of partners that can deliver a high level of support solutions you expect from Surface. Thank you for taking the time to learn about our Authorized Service Providers program. With that, I'll hand it back to Sanaz.
Thank you, Greg. To wrap up, I'd like to add, at Microsoft, our customers influence the devices and solutions we build. Our latest devices, released in October, exemplify the incredible improvements we have made in repair and service solutions with Surface. With our continued goal of empowering our customers and our commitment to sustainability, we have built our repair solutions to provide you with more control, more options, and better value with self-repair, Microsoft in-region repair, and our authorized service provider network. As we close our session today, we are thrilled for the future of Surface and the evolving landscape of repair and service solutions we provide. Thanks again for joining us at Ignite.